Hello dear learner, welcome back to the Zoom Chemistry Hub. Today in this video we will discuss the most confusing topic, that is orbit and orbital. So what is orbit? So according to the Bohr atomic model, electrons are revolving around the nucleus in a circular path, and these circular path on which electrons are revolving continuously, these circular paths are called orbit. So the orbit or the circular path on which electrons are revolving continuously. These circular path also called shell, energy level, and in these circular path electrons are distributed by 2n square formula. Here the n is the number of shell or orbit. So by this formula electrons are distributed in these shell, orbit or energy levels. For example, when we calculate the number of electron in the first shell, we write 2 into 1, we write the 1 instead of n. So the maximum number of electron in the first shell are 2. Similarly, in the second shell, we write here 2 in place of n. So the maximum number of electron in the, that is n1 and n2. So the maximum number of electron in the second shell are 8. And these orbit, shell or energy level are indicated by alphabet K, L, and if we have third shell, then the third shell is called M. So the first shell is indicated by K, the second shell is indicated by L, and the third shell is indicated by M. Now we will discuss what is orbital. So what is orbital? The orbital are the three-dimensional space around the nucleus where the probability of finding the electron is maximum. So these are the three-dimensional space around the nucleus where the probability of finding the electron is maximum. And the examples of orbital are, that is s orbital and p orbital have three degenerate orbitals, that is px, py and pz. Similarly, d orbital have 5 degenerate orbital, that is d, dxy, dyz, dzx, d x square y square and d z square. and in these orbital electrons are distributed by 4l plus 2 formula. That for example, if we have s orbitals, then the s orbital have maximum number of electron according to this formula, that is 4 into the value of s, the value of L for s orbital is 0 plus 2 into 4 into 0 0, that is 0 plus 2, that is 2 electron for s orbital. So s orbital have maximum number of electrons are 2 by 4l plus 2 formula. So by this formula we can calculate the number of electron in different orbital, that is s, p, d and f. That's for all today the learner. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your friends and fellow. Thanks for watching.